What's up, investors? Welcome to your midday market update for May 21st, 2021. It's Friday. I hope you guys are all prepared for the weekend. The major indices are looking pretty good. We're going to cover the top winners and losers in the market, the movers and shakers. We're also going to cover some news that I think you need to know before the market closes, and also some earnings report for both Deere and Co and Foot Locker we're going to cover as well. So let's jump right into TipRanks.com and we'll check out the major indices first. The S&P 500 is up a little bit today, 0.18%, followed by the Dow Jones up 0.64% on the day, and the NASDAQ is down slightly, almost 0.5% at 0.43% down. Now, the opposite of what happened with Bitcoin yesterday is happening today. Unfortunately, down almost 11% on the day, back under $40,000 at 36.5 for Bitcoin. So crypto and Bitcoin continue to be very, very volatile right now. Also, top winners and losers right now, the biggest movers and shakers in the market. We're going to talk about them right now. Number one on the list, gaining 17.2% on the day so far, is ticker symbol GRCL, or Gray Cell Biotechnologies. Number two on the list is YALA Group, ticker symbol YALA, up almost 15% on the day. We have Blue Owl Capital in the third spot, ticker symbol OWL, up 12% on the day. Number four on the list here, we have Global Cord Blood, ticker symbol CO, up 10% on the day. And we have RXRX, or Recursion Pharmaceuticals, up 10.4% today, and rounding out the top five here for the top gainers. Now, the top losers, one of them right here, number one, is another Bitcoin mining play. The name of this company is Bit Mining, and the ticker symbol is BTCM. They were on the list the other day, down 20% almost on the day, guys. Number two on the list here is Urban One, ticker symbol UONE, down almost 9% on the day. We have in the third spot the 9, ticker symbol NCTY, down 10% on the day. Number four spot, we have MAXN Solar Technologies, ticker symbol MAXN, down almost 10% on the day as well. And rounding out the top five for the biggest losers, we have GSX Tech NDU, ticker symbol GOTU, down almost 11% as well. So it's been a rough day for those five stocks. Now, let's jump right over to the pertinent news here. We're going to first talk about Silvercorp Metals. They actually post 122% profit growth in quarter four, and shares drop 4%. Now, this isn't a retail location, but they're acting like a retail location, like Kohl's yesterday. Posted great earnings and then struggled. So Silvercorp Metals reported higher profits and revenues in both the fourth quarter and fiscal year 2021. The precious metals company produces silver, zinc, and lead metals in concentrates from mines in China. So let's see here. Ticker symbol SVM. Silvercorp Metals is actually trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange. You can see that right here, down 2.5% today at $7.24 Canadian dollars. But comes in with a moderate buy with 3 analyst ratings with an average upside of 32%. So go ahead and take a peek if you have access to trade SVM on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Guys, the second bit of news I want to talk to you about is Children's Place. It's another retail location that just smashed expectations. And today, for a little bit, shares did pop. However, if we take a peek at ticker symbol PLCE, we're actually down almost 0.5% on Children's Place right now, even though they smashed expectations. However, this does come in at a moderate buy based on 6 analyst ratings with an average upside of 17.65% for Children's Place. The next bit of news I want to talk to you about is Hormel Foods. Their shares pop 7.4% on a solid Q2 beat, and they raised top line guidance as well. They actually had earnings per share of 42 cents, even though the consensus was 41 cents. So a little bit of an expectations beat there. Top revenues grew 8% year over year to $2.6 billion versus the consensus estimate of $2.42 billion. So they beat earnings per share and also revenue. Let's take a peek at how Hormel is doing today. Hormel is now trading downward a little bit because they were up a little bit earlier, but we're at 0.9% up on the day, coming in with a moderate buy based on 3 analyst ratings with an average downside of 5%. So take a peek at Hormel Foods as well. The last companies I want to talk about here are the earnings reports. We have earnings reports from Deere. Deere comes in and they said, look, here's the deal. We're going to crush your expectations. Deere had $5.68 per share earnings from $11 billion in equipment sales. The general estimates coming in at $10.3 billion in sales and $4.48 for earnings per share. So they absolutely crushed expectations, and they're doing okay today. Deere is up almost 2% on the day. You can see that here, coming in with a strong buy rating based on 15 analyst ratings with a 12.74% upside for Deere. Now, the next company I want to talk to you about is Foot Locker. For the first quarter fiscal year 2020, they actually had some major losses, and this year was completely different. They came in, they beat analyst expectations. They had revenue of $2.15 billion with $202 million worth of profit, and they are up 2.3% on the day. You can see that right here. Foot Locker comes in with a moderate buy rating based on 15 analyst ratings with an average upside of 6.2%. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another midday market update for Friday, May 21st, 2021. If you didn't already hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, please go ahead and do that now. You can find us here, Julie and I, every day, Monday through Friday. She posts before the market opens and I post before the market closes. So jump on that notification bell bandwagon and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great weekend.